What is up, guys? Danny this side. So, in this video, we are going to compare both the hosting giants head to head in the pricing, speed, ease of use, and support to help you pick the right one. So, now let's get started. Now let's start with the basics. So first, if you want to access the Bluehost, you just need to type in Bluehost in the browser search bar, and then you can see this first official website of Bluehost. Click on this website and then sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Bluehost account. And it's the same process in Hostinger. Simply type Hostinger in the search bar of your browser and then click on this first official website of Hostinger and then just sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your Hostinger account. So I'll just give you an overview of both these softwares. So Bluehost is a well-known hosting company officially recommended by WordPress. It's been around for years and is trusted by millions of users, especially in the US. Whereas Hostinger is a fast-growing global hosting company known for affordable prices, solid performance, and beginner-friendly features, especially popular in Asia and Europe. So, Bluehost is more established in the US, whereas Hostinger is more cost-effective and lightweight, especially for beginners. Now, let's move to the another step, which is pricing and value, because hosting can get expensive over time. So, Hostinger starts as low as $2 a month, making it one of the cheapest hosts in 2025, even if its mid-tier plans offer free email, free SSL, and weekly backups, whereas Bluehost starts around $3 a month, but renewal prices are higher. It includes a free domain for a year, email accounts, and 24/7 support. So, Hostinger wins on initial price and budget-friendly tiers, but Bluehost wins if you value the free domain and stronger WordPress integration. And now let's move to the another step, which is performance, which speed and uptime is discussed. So, hostingers use Lightspeed servers, which offers fast loading times. Even on shared hosting in 2025, its uptime averages 99.99% and it's very reliable globally. And Bluehost has a decent speed but still runs on traditional Apache servers. Its uptime is solid at 99.9%, but page load speeds can lag slightly compared to Hostinger. So Hostinger wins for speed and tech performance, but Bluehost still holds up but could feel a bit slower on busy sites. And now let's move to the final word. So, which one are you choosing and which hosting is better for you in 2025? So you must choose Hostinger if you're on a tight budget and you want to fast loading speeds and better global performance, or you are building your first site and want easy setup. And then you must choose Bluehost if you are focused on building a WordPress website and you want a free domain plus strong support, or you prefer a more established brand in the US. So comment below which software would you choose for. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.